Are you curious about how to use mSpy for free and take advantage of its powerful tracking features? Whether you're a parent trying to monitor your child's online activities or someone looking to ensure peace of mind, mSpy is a top choice for mobile monitoring. After testing several options, I found mSpy to be one of the most reliable and feature-packed apps available today. If you want to follow along, click the link in the description to sign up for a free trial. There will be exclusive discounts as well, but more on that later. mSpy offers a variety of tracking features that are simple to use. Here's why it stands out. Easy installation with no technical knowledge required. Works discreetly in the background without affecting phone performance. Real-time updates to keep you informed of all monitored activity. Here's what you can track using mSpy. GPS tracking. Track the real-time location of the device with precision. Call logs and text messages. Access all call details and even deleted messages. Social media monitoring. Monitor WhatsApp, Instagram, Snapchat, and other social platforms. Browser history. Track all websites visited and block harmful content. Media access. View photos, videos, and files stored on the phone. mSpy's user-friendly dashboard makes it easy to navigate and monitor all activities from a single location. While mSpy doesn't offer a permanent free version, you can start using it for free with their trial period. This gives you a taste of the full range of features to decide if it's the right app for your needs. mSpy offers flexible pricing plans to suit any budget, and by using the link in the description, you unlock exclusive discounts and bonuses. Thousands of users trust mSpy to stay informed and in control. If this video helped you understand how to use mSpy for free, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us create more helpful guides for users like you. Use the link in the description now to start your free trial of mSpy and experience its powerful tracking features for yourself. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.